energy so I can eat it because I need some. Yeah, right. Not that funny. Why? What? I don't even know. Yes, being a little ambitious here, as you can see. Just a smidge. But hey, why not? I'm going to they're all going to have just a little bit of soap butter in them, not a lot, because I just want to just pour it just in the top. I have made energy before. I made one that looked like clown's vomit once, but then I made one that looked really nice, and I want to try and make it like that again. But I never have much luck recreating soaps, so we'll see what happens. Silent, people wonder what's wrong with me. Doesn't happen very often. Yeah, alright, what I'm going to do is I'll put some titanium dioxide in this because I want it to be nice and white. But I'll put in the fragrance first. And pour off a little bit each of these and then put the titanium because I want these nice and bright. And as I said with the last video, I can't find any more of those moulds, so I can only make 3 more soaps. It's quite annoying. Very, very annoying actually. But it'll just make me more determined to find them, so. I actually had these out. These are the colours. They're all getting more and more in them as I go along. These are the colours that I splattered on the top of my unicorn poos. So I thought, not going to waste those. Alright, so a little bit of titty white, as I like to call it. Or because I have white titties, I don't know. Just do recording. Oh yay! Alright. I put in a fair bit because I don't really care about glycerin rivers. I don't really need it. My soap goes reasonably white anyway. Okay. Now, if you're using titanium white, you have to stick blend it. If you don't, you will end up with little white dots all through your soap. Trust me. Ask any soaper who's been soaping for a while and they will tell you the same thing. You cannot hand blend titanium dioxide, it just doesn't work. Alright. Light to dark, kind of. Let's just go in the order we've got them in. Yeah, these are going to be... This is not going to happen. Oh well, never mind. It's a bit of a bummer. It's just thickened up too quick. Bloody energy. So it's funny because sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't, but I have a... It's my recipe. It does move quicker because it's mostly hard oils. So, you know, if I really wanted to be pedantic about this, I could change the recipe to suit doing things like this, so that it was more fluid for longer. But I don't, because I hate changing the recipe. It's just laziness, because then I have to change my labels and it's like, too much like hard work. Psh, not even. It's all good. It's all good. Hello, Socks. Socksy's come to visit. I don't know if you can, probably can't see him down there. Hello, little Bubba. What are you doing? My little baby. He's been very snuggly lately. Kurt and I were unpacking boxes yesterday. I think it kind of freaked him out a little bit. I think he thinks we're moving again, and he doesn't like moving. Maybe he has borderline personality disorder too. A cat with BPD. Oh dear. He just does not like moving at all, this cat. He really, really doesn't like it. Boogs loves it because he would ride around in the van all day if I let him. He loves the van. Because when we moved, we just let him we put we put Socks in a cat carrier because he's an idiot, and the last time we didn't, he peed in the car. But Boogs, we just let him wander around the van. He had a ball. He even got so excited he was panting at one point, which is always cool to see. You don't see cats pant that often, so. But yeah, now he come and sat on my lap and walked over and sat on Kurt's lap, and he was happy as Larry. So it was really cute. Well, that looks absolutely nothing like what I intended, but whatever, it is what it is. And it's all good. It's all good. There we go, a little bit of wasted soap, but swirly swirly, make it look like a clown vomited in there. Give this a bit of a swirl. So just fart-assing around in it, not even doing any sort of pattern. Ugh. And that's it. That is energy soap. So when this is cut, all the colour should be sitting up on the top. I did want it to go down a little bit into the soap, but like I said, I'm going to have to change the recipe for this because it just moves a little fast. But that's not going to happen. So, there's the soap everywhere. It's just not. It's just gross. Yeah, so this is why I should wear gloves. Puffer bottle. Love the puffer bottle. Oh, you didn't see the puffer bottle because you didn't see the monkey farts. I got puffer bottles from Aussie Soap Supplies. Get 5 for to $20, I think. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to take a photo of that for Instagram now, and I will see you guys for the cutting. Geez, these soaps are 12 minutes. Woohoo!